the more because it's getting broken.
It's getting broken.
Yeah, that's going to turn.
Okay, let's turn him around. Where's he gonna go? Oh, he's gonna dump it all out?
Yeah. This is not full yet.
Okay, go ahead, dump it out. Hey, Tavin, I found another dinosaur in the construction site.
Oh, no.
Oh no, the truck landed on top of him.
Now this truck is going to push the bigger.
Oh, he's gonna push it away? Okay.
Yep, this was mine. And he bet that he takes a lot of it. He threw him away. It's another blue dino.
What's that dino doing there? Is he supposed to be there?
No, he isn't. There's another one.
Is there another one? There's a red dinosaur and a green one in the construction site.
And there's more.
Is there more?
Nope, not that one. Just a bigger one.
Where are all the babies? Are there any in that dirt pile?
Nope.
Well, there's two. Why don't you get the green and the red one? Put them in the dump truck.
No, there's a little one was fighting.
What, this?
No. That
Oh, this one. Yeah.
There's more?
How many are in there?
7.
7?
Yeah, but there were more baby dinos.
Where? We have to find them?
Yeah, I had 2. But they have one and I don't have one.
Did they take one home from the camping trip?
No.
How do they have them?
I get them to them, and then they got lost.
Who did?
I think our dinos away.
Oh, that's okay. You know, you have 7 dinos. That's a lot of dinos. And I think that Asher and London might have some dinos too. So when you play with them, you would have even more dinos. Right?
Yeah, but when they had this house, I mean, they had some.
Oh, they didn't? Well, we have to see if London has any. If not, Mommy will have to get some more. Or you just play with the 7 that you have. Because that's fun too, right? It's fun to play with the ones that you have already.
This one is going shower. You get this one is going with the baby dino back to its mother.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. There are a lot. Just like if am I hearing also?
What?
Am I hearing what I'm hearing?
What are you hearing?
I'm not hearing. I'm just joking.
You're joking?
Yeah, because it's so filming. Where's that's to the baby mother, and maybe mother will be happy. And there will be the baby down there. They hopped out. Look where Hannah, or this baby dino can hop out.